Hey guys, Chris here, back with another really awesome truck that we're going to be auctioning off. carsandbids.com. This is a Gx470, and gotta say, this is a really nice truck. This is 189,000 miles. Listen to the motor real quick. Gx470. So 470s for the motor, 4.7 liter V8. Same engine in the Toyota Land Cruiser. One of the best engines ever built by Toyota. And same with the transmission. Nearly a bulletproof engine. So this truck is sitting on a suspension lift, brand new off-road tires and wheels, which look fantastic, and aftermarket grill, the new Lexus logo. I'd say the lift is about probably 3 inches. Interior is in excellent condition. Looks like, I don't know if these have been reupholstered. I'm assuming they have. They did a fantastic job. Same with the driver's seat and the passenger seat. They look like new and they feel like new. AC's cold. Inside trim is just really good shape. All the wood is really nice. No cracking on the steering wheel, which is a common problem on these Lexus wood steering wheels, so sometimes they crack. This one's nice and smooth, feels really good. And same with the wood trim. Wood trim is in excellent shape. All the buttons, none of the wording on the buttons are faded. I mean, honestly, if someone told me this truck had 70,000 miles, I'd believe it, because it's in really nice shape. 189,000. Very well taken care of, as you can see, and a lot of cool modifications that have been done to give it a really nice look, and very capable off-road. So this truck originally came with the Lexus height control. It'd been replaced with a lift kit, and probably I would say it's at least 3 inches. So you have a lot of clearance now, and it's great for off-roading. Let's take you for a spin. So this one has the navigation, backup camera, Mark Levinson sound system. So, and also power sunroof. Alright. Here you got a digital compass, volume controls on the steering wheel. Alright. So you can listen to your music. It's got the Mark Levinson sound, so that's the premium sound system by Lexus. Speakers sound great, no popping or anything. Sub sounds good. Really nice driving truck, gotta say. We get these trucks in, we sell them on Cars and Bids. Drove this one today about 120 miles, and about 100 miles. And from the Washington, D.C. area to Hagerstown. Drives fantastic. Really nice driving on the highway as well, gotta say. It's very stable, smooth, it's got a lot of power, so very nice truck. So these GX470s, if you're new to these are fantastic vehicles. These are it's the same vehicle as the Land Cruiser Prado in most markets. So in Central America, South America, Colombia, Middle East, they sell these as the Land Cruiser Prado, which is such an amazing vehicle. I rented one when I was in Central America. Actually came with the turbo diesel, and it was it was probably one of the best trucks that I've driven. I really liked it a lot. This is the same. The only thing is this has the 4.7 liter V8, so it's not a diesel, a gas engine, same as the Land Cruiser 100 series that you get in the US. So it's super reliable. And this one's already had all the upgrades, a lot of the upgrades done. So it's already got the lift kit, the wheels, the tires, so ready for an off-road fun vehicle. And it looks really good. The paint and the inside is very clean. No signs of smoking, and overall just a really nice car. Okay, let me know what questions you have about it, and thanks for watching Bid with Confidence.